Are you still using basic text animation? It's time to level up. In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you a professional approach to animate your text and make your content pop. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. Open After Effects and make a new comp. Then type out your text, whatever you like. Pick a bold or black font so it really pops. Click on your text layer and open up the properties. Go to Animate and add a scale, position, and rotation. Play around with the values to make it look fun and lively. Hit Ctrl-D or Command-D twice, so now you've got 3 layers. Customize each layer. For the top layer, remove the fill color and add a stroke instead. For middle layer, change part of the text color, just enough to make it pop. And for the bottom layer, choose a nice complementary color to tie it all together. Select the top layer and go to Effects Panel and add some roughen edges. Adjust the setting like this. Set a border to 10, set a complexity to 7, and now hold Alt or Option and click on a stopwatch next to evolution. Type this expression. That's it. You've done it.